Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can enter a YouTube link into your story on Instagram. So let's get right into it. It's very easy to do, and the first thing you're going to want to do is locate the link that you want, copy it, and make sure it is in your clipboard so that you can very easily paste it when you need it. But to add it to your story, you just need to make a story post, and let me just go into my story, click on the plus, and add a new story. As you can see, I can add photos, videos, drafts, or I could take a picture from my camera right now. You're just going to select whatever you want to post, and as you can see now, this is the story post screen. Now what you're going to want to do is click on this third icon from the left on top. So it's this sort of sticker icon, which is exactly what you want, and I misclicked, sorry about that. Just click the sticker icon, and as you can see, you have all of these stickers that you can use. What you're going to want to use is link, and click on link. Here you can enter your URL. I'll just add whatever random string of letters, and you can customize the sticker text as well. I'll just add lol, for example. Click done, and you do need to enter a valid link. I'll just add .com, and as you can see now, I have created that link. You can click on that button to change the way it looks. I like this look the best, or in fact maybe even this transparent one, and you can just put it wherever, and now you can post your story and that link will be in there. And that's all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.